Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, potentially, eventually, it's going to take out the low of wave 4. But this literally could take a year or more because this is the monthly time frame, and it doesn't even necessarily have to do that. It could potentially still be a crutch into this move right here and potentially still end up doing something like that and continuing the uptrend. Even though it looks like a wave 5, I think it probably is more likely it will eventually take out the low of wave 4. So taking it out to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely impulsive down. I still think this is all wave A, probably, or a wave 1, maybe. Either way, I'm not even still convinced that the trend is over, the downtrend that is. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Now, I am being a little bit cautious on this, and if it does break to the upside, I definitely would turn back into a buyer. But to me, it still kind of looks like this is like 1, 2, this is like a wave 3, this is a wave 4. It still looks to me like this needs to make another attempt down for a wave 5, and this would all still be one trend for either a wave A or a wave 1. So let's keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, if it does break structure to the upside, I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again because I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this was actually like a wave A over here and this is like the wave B and then it goes up and makes a wave C. So you definitely don't want to sit through this wave C if you're already short. So if it does break structure to the upside, I would go back to looking for longs. If it doesn't, then I would definitely still continue to look for shorts on these shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my low Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm looking for 3 waves up and a Fibonacci bounce. We got 1 wave up, we got 1 wave down. If this goes up to a Fibonacci level or maybe to structure and rejects it, makes a nice engulfing move to the downside, then that definitely would be the sorting opportunity that I would be looking for the continuation of the downtrend. As long as it doesn't break this structure right here, I'm definitely still primarily looking for shorts in a downtrend. If it does break this structure right there, then I will stop looking for shorts and I will happily start looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.